For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a massive development, CISF has revealed glaring lapses on the part of Bihar police in handling the angry mob on the 26th of October. They further disclosed that cops opened fire in the air to control the crowd who first pelted stones at the police officials. According to the report, the shocking incident occurred on October 26 when one person lost his life while dozens were injured in stone pelting and firing during Durga idol immersion in Munger. Giving a detailed account of the incident, CISF report also stated that Head Constable M. Gangaiya fired 13 rounds of bullets from his rifle.
A group was posted along with SSB and Bihar police personnel at Deen Dayal Upadhyay Chowk, Munger. The dispute between the devotees and the police began around 11:45 pm on the night of 26 October. After this, some people started stone pelting on police and security forces. During the stone pelting, the Munger police first opened air firing. After the firing, the crowd became more agitated and stones also intensified. Seeing the situation uncontrollable, CISF Head Constable M. Gangaiya fired 13 rounds of bullets from his Insas rifle.
As per the reports, the trouble flared up after a makeshift bamboo carrier carrying a Durga idol crumbled. While people were taking time to repair it, other idol processions had to be stalled, leading to a pile-up. Incidentally, the Munger violence took place days before the first phase of the assembly polls in the state. Even Superintendent of Police Lipi Singh faced fierce criticism as the incident took place on the eve of the election. Following the incident, a group of protesters went on the rampage in Munger again and ransacked the SP office. Meanwhile, Election Commission removed the district magistrate and the superintendent of police of Munger over the violence. The poll panel has also ordered an inquiry into the entire incident by Magad Divisional Commissioner Asangba Chubao.
The EC has ordered the removal of Munger DM Rajesh Meena and SP Lipi Singh over violence and police firing in the town. It has also ordered a probe into the incident, which is to be completed in the next 7 days.
However, the incident gave another opportunity for the opposition to criticize the Nitish Kumar-led NDA government in Bihar. They even compared the Munger incident with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Mahagathbandhan leaders also initiated #Munger Narsinhar campaign to attack the government. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut slammed BJP and Bihar governor over the Munger violence.
Munger fire incident is an attack on Hindutva. If such an incident were to happen in Maharashtra, West Bengal or Rajasthan, governors and BJP leaders would have demanded president's rule. So why is Bihar governor and BJP leaders not raising questions?
However, the Hindustan Awam Morcha chief Jitin Ram Manjhi came to the rescue of Bihar government and said that they have taken swift action into the incident.